Hey there, little explorers. Welcome to our channel, Kid Wisdom TV, learning alphabetical order animals' name, where all the animals love to sing and play. Join us for fun songs and cool adventures. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel so you never miss out on the fun. Click the subscribe button and press the bell icon. And let's start our wild adventure together.
A is for alligator, snapping with a grin. B is for bear with honey on his chin. C is for cat who purrs in the sun. E is for dog who loves to run. E is for elephant, big and grand. F is for fox, so sly and tan. G is for giraffe with a neck so high. H is for hippo who loves to lie. I is for iguana in the heat so still. J is for jaguar, fast with thrill. K is for kangaroo who jumps so far. L is for lion, a jungle star. M is for monkey swinging in the trees. N is for newt, crawling with ease. O is for owl who hoots at night. P is for penguin in the snow so white. Q is for quail with feathers neat. R is for rabbit, hopping on his feet. S is for snake who slithers around. T is for tiger with the mighty sound. U is for uriel on the mountain steep. V is for vulture, flying over sheep. W is for whale, splashing in the sea. X is for Zurus, quick as can be. Y is for yak with a woolly face. Z is for zebra who loves to race. Thanks kids, please subscribe to my channel.